So I thought I'd do something a little different with the VWAP Predator. I've gone on to the TradingView version with Euro US dollar. I don't make a great deal of videos for Forex traders, and that's a real shame. I trade futures more than Forex, but I wanted to show you the power of the VWAP Predator, specifically on really the TradingView Renko chart. So they've got a really cool chart type of the Renko with ATR 21. You can see it up there. And then I've got this on the 3 minutes. So this, it really depends on how much volume's going through. So it does move quite fast, but then it can slow right down again. So this is 2 whole days on the chart. We have the Uni Renko ATR 21 on the 3 minute on Euro US dollar. Now I'm using an FXCM here. It's very important for you Forex traders to understand that you need volume data to use the VWAP Predator. Moreover, you need volume data because it's 50% of the picture of trading. So if your Forex broker or you're using on TradingView a Forex broker feed that doesn't give you volume, then you need to switch because volume is very important. VWAP Predator works very well. Down below, I've got the Bias Depth Heatmap, and you can get the links down below this video for both of those. So we're going into sort of Thursday here, the 24th of August. I'm making this the following Monday, so it's my time to make videos again. We have an initial signal here. This is European time. I just put the chart onto European time at 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're not going to take that signal. And then what we do is we've got a very similar signal at 10:30 in the morning. So since this earlier signal, we moved down, we came back up again, we've been in a range. So the sensible thing to do here is put a stop market order on to sell just below these lows after that first signal. Stop loss above all of these highs here at 10157. And you put where you wait, the stock market order takes you in. Now, obviously, at some stage, this is US data time on a Thursday at 14:30 European time, 8:30 a.m. EST. We get a big move down, takes us in that order at this point here, then moves down. It moves very quickly, but then starts to slow down, but it just keeps coming down here. So this is at 15:09. So this is 39 minutes later on this trade. Really great move on that Thursday. And we can see this, you can see this ribbon here is in red. When that turns to green, we can get out of the trade. But with this Uni Renko, for me, if I get any more than 3 or the third one closes and it's green compared to this big red move, just get out and take the profit. We go on to the next day then on Friday. We get a signal around about 7:06 in the morning. Again, most Forex traders are up for that morning call. We do get a buy signal in this case. All 6 time frames are green down on the Bias Depth Heatmap. That's our confirmation, if you like. You can see here on the red, all 6 time frames were red. So we get those confirmations of signals. We go long, and it makes a nice move up during the morning. Okay, and then into the afternoon as well. Until we get this rejection, it starts to come back down again, and this time we can see the ribbon turns red at this point, and that's 4 candles in advance. So we count 4 candles back. It's this candle here. So this is like a little break-even trade, if you like. Again, if you comp 3 red candles against the main move, then you need to move to get out of the trade. But then in the evening, this is a really good move here. We get that support at the VWAP, this blue dotted line here for the VWAP Predator. We get a buy signal at this point here. All 6 time frames. We've got signal, we've got confirmation. We take the long trade, and then we get another signal. We can add to our position. Why am I confident to add to this position? Because we're just breaching this high of the day here with our stop market order to buy. So we're getting 2 entries onto this, and we take that all the way into the close and close it just before the end of the session on the Friday night there. So really great trading opportunities using the VWAP Predator. The expert VWAP Predator relies on volume, the VWAP, and it looks for moves across extensions of that VWAP with more volume. As you can see, we don't get signals all the time, but when we do, they're very, very strong. I mean, Thursday there was 1 trade. Friday, there was two trades. The first trade was break even. The second trade, we even added to that particular trade, and it closed right near the highs on there. So that's two trading days, really great opportunities. And it's fantastic that we can use these sort of chart types on TradingView. So check out the links below for the TradingView VWAP Predator and that all important bias depth heatmap to give us those confirmations.